Hello and welcome to today's edition. I'll quickly be guiding you on how we will be able to draw some of these structures following from what we've learned earlier. So very quickly I'll start drawing this very structure followed by this and this. Now after carrying out this, I'm expecting you to do the same and send it to the email I will leave at the description of this video, or you'll be able to send it at the group chats where we are following this tutorial. So quickly we are going to begin by drawing this very first structure. So to begin this, I'll have to pick up a benzene ring and drop here. Now knowing fully that this one is horizontally arranged, so I'll have to click on this and come to my rotating bar and click on set bond horizontally. Now I'm going to click on this, and this bond is arranged in this order. Alright, so I may just duplicate this. I'll highlight this and get to my instant template. Now the moment I click on this, it will give me another form of this structure, so I'll place it here side by side this way. So I've now been able to make this and this. Next to that, quickly I will just be drawing this extended bonds from these ends, but mind you, it's actually bromine. So quickly I'll get to my table, a periodic table, get to bromine, hit my OK, and the next is drawing these bonds where they should be, clicking it and dragging out, clicking and dragging out, clicking this and dragging it out. Same here. Okay, it's actually here. Now the next is the bond that connects these two benzene ring structure. So quickly I'll click on this and attach it to this very end here. So this is how you can be able to replicate a structure like this. So next I will be looking at how we can draw this structure. So quickly, I actually know that this is first a benzene ring now, but this very middle structure here is not actually benzene, it is a cyclohexane. So I'll click on it and place it side by side, and next to that is to get another benzene ring and place it on this side. So we've been able to make the main major structure. So what we need is this extension of these bonds. So quickly I may just want to say draw chains. I'll click on that. I've got this, I've got this, I've got this, and I've also got this one that is below. Alright, so next to it is this bromine structure that is attached to this other benzene ring that is actually here. So straight ahead I will get to my table, click on bromine, and the next thing is to draw. So we have it up here. You have it up here. You can make it as straight as possible. So now what is remaining actually is this oxygen and this bromine atom attached to this. So I can quickly click on my oxygen atom here and drop it here. Next is to get my bromine atom also, and attach it here, and still attach it at this end. So it's actually the same thing, it's just the basic way that this bond was arranged earlier. So next to that is actually the very last structure here, which is very simple. I'll click on my cyclohexane. Now we have the up bond and the down bond. So quickly I will start with the up stereo bonds, which is this, is on this side, and also below. So I'm going to also make use of the down stereo bonds also to place it here, and also to place it this way and also this way. But the difference is that there are chlorine atoms here saturated here. So what you need to do is to get to the pseudo atom so that you can be able to remove them completely. Now I'll get back to my chlorine and replace it here as it is on the structure that is above. So this is how you can be able to replicate these structures that are here available. So your exercise for today is simply redo this and export it as a PDF and send it to the email that will be in the description of this video. Please ensure you like and give your comments if there are questions that you want to ask or there is clarity about this. Then you can send your email of the PDF of this file you have been able to work on. So thank you for listening, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.